Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this delicious fruity curried chicken. So simple to make, but so tasty. Okay, so I'll start by warming up enough oil to brown my 4 skinless chicken drumsticks. I've cleaned them up and rubbed them in about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I've got them on a high to medium heat and I just want them nice and brown all over. Once they've browned, I'll take them out of the pan. I want just enough oil to fry 1 medium-sized onion that I've chopped and sliced peppers. I'm using frozen peppers and it's the equivalent to about 2 peppers. I'll just keep them moving under a medium heat until they're soft. Now I'll add 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger and fresh garlic. Then I'll go in with some curry powder. I'm using a hot curry powder and I'll add 2 big tablespoons and 1.5 teaspoons of ground turmeric. I'll give that a stir together and let it cook out for a couple of minutes. I will leave a full list of all the ingredients and measurements in the description box. I've got 425 grams of pineapple chunks and I'm going to stir that in plus the juice. Then in goes 350 millilitres of coconut milk and I season well with salt and a little ground black pepper. Turn the heat up and when it starts to simmer, I'll return the chicken to the pot. I want the chicken fully immersed in the sauce and I'll let that simmer without a lid until the chicken is fully cooked and the sauce reduces. This is halfway through now and as you can see the sauce has reduced quite a bit. For 40 minutes my chicken is cooked right through, but I want my sauce reduced just a little bit more, so I'm going to take the chicken out and turn up the heat until I'm happy with the consistency. Again, I'll check the seasoning and I'm just going to add a little bit more salt. So I've had the sauce bubbling away now for a couple of minutes and I'm happy with the consistency. Now it's lovely and thick, so I'm just going to return the chicken pieces and reduce the heat. In this small saucepan, I've got half a tin of pre-cooked kidney beans I'm warming up under a low heat. I'll add 1.5 tablespoons of hot pepper sauce and season with a little salt. And I've just added those spicy kidney beans to the sauce. I hope you get the chance to make this delicious fruity curried chicken, so tasty with mild spices and the fruitiness from the pineapple. So I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.